In today's video, I will walk you through how to empty trash in Gmail. Before we jump into this quick tutorial, tap the link in the description below to follow along. And let's get started. First, open Gmail and look at the menu on the left side of the screen. By default, Gmail hides your trash folder underneath the collapsible menu to keep your sidebar clean. Click on Trash or Bin. This opens up every single message, attachment, and thread you've sent to the dumpster over the last 30 days.
Next, look right at the top of your message list inside the trash folder. You'll see a prompt that says, "Messages that have been in trash more than 30 days will be automatically deleted." Right next to it, click the blue link that says, "Empty Trash Now." A confirmation box will pop up warning you that this action is permanent. Click OK or Delete. Instantly, gigabytes of cache data vanish from Google servers.
These emails will no longer appear in your Gmail account and generally cannot be recovered. It's also important to remember that emptying the trash is different from simply deleting an email from your inbox. When you delete an email normally, Gmail moves it to trash. Emptying the trash permanently removes those messages. If your goal is to free up storage space, permanently deleting unwanted emails can help, especially when the trash contains messages with large attachments. And just like that, your digital breathing room is restored. If this quick tech audit saved your storage, hit that subscribe button for more teardowns. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one.